Good morning, students. Today's topic is value of an algebraic expression. The value of algebraic expression depends upon the value of a variable. In this, we substitute the value of variable in the expression and we find the value of expression. For example number 1, find the value of following expression for x is equal to 2. That means the value of variable x is given 2. First part is x plus 4. Now here we have to put x is equal to 2. In place of x we put 2, that means 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6. So the value of this expression is 6 for x is equal to 2. Second part is 4x minus 3. Now put x is equal to 2. 4 into 2 minus 3, that is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. This is called substitution method. Now third part is 19 minus 15 x square. Means 19, we have to put x is equal to 2. 19 minus 15 into 2 square, that is further equal to 19 minus 15 into 4. 2 square is 4. 19 minus 60. 19 minus 4, no, that is not 15, that is 5. That is 5. 5 fours are 5 into 4, that is 19 minus 20 is equal to minus 1. Fourth part is 100 minus 10 x cube. Now put x is equal to 2, that is 100 minus 10 into 2 cube, that is equal to 100 minus 10 into 2 cube means 8, that is 100 minus 80 is equal to 20. So that value of this expression for x is equal to 2 is 20. Now example number 2. Example number 2 is find the value of the following for expression for n is equal to minus 2. Here n is equal to minus 2. First part 5n minus 2. Now put n is equal to minus 2. 5 into minus, use bracket, 5 into minus 2 is equal to minus 2. That is 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. Minus 2, answer is minus 12. Next is 5n square. Second part 5n square plus 5n minus 2. Again put n is equal to minus 2. 5 into minus 2 square plus 5 into minus 2 minus 2, that is equal to 5 into 4. Minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. Minus 5 into minus 2 is minus 10 minus 2, that is 20 minus 20, that is equal to 0. Next part is n cube 5n square plus n minus 2. Put n is equal to minus 2. 20, 5 to the 10, 20. The answer is not minus 2. Answer is minus 2. That is not 12. Yes, 5 to 4 the 20 minus 12. Answer is 8. Sorry. Here this is not a multiplication. This is subtraction to each other. Minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12. That is 8 answer. Next is Next part is third part. N cube plus 5n square plus 5n minus 2. N cube is minus 2 cube plus 5 into minus 2 square plus 5 into minus 2 minus 2. 2 cube is minus 8 plus 5 into 4 minus 10 minus 2 minus 8 plus 20 minus 12, that is 8 minus 8 plus minus 12 is minus 20 plus 20, answer is 0. Now example number 3. Example 3 is find the value of the following expression for a is equal to 3. The value of a is 3 and b is equal to 2. First part is 7a minus 4b. Now put a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. 7 into 3 minus 4 into 2, that is equal to 21 minus 8. 21 minus 8 is 13. So value of this expression is 13. Second part, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now put a is equal to 3 square plus 2 into 3 into 2 plus 2 square. 3 square is 9, 2 into 3 into 2 is 12 plus 4. Now answer is 9 plus 12 is 21 plus 4 25. Third part is a cube minus b cube. Now put a is equal to 3 cube minus 2 cube. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27, minus 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 27 minus 8 is 19. Now example 4. Example 4 is if a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 4. Find the value of, first is c square minus a square. Now put c is equal to minus 4 square minus a means 3 square, that is equal to minus 4 square means 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. Second part, find the value of 2a plus 3b minus 5c. Now put a is equal to 3, 2 into 3 plus 3 into put b is equal to 2 minus 5c, that means 5 into minus 4. 6 plus 6 minus plus 20, that is 32. Third part, find the value of 3ab minus 2b square plus 4abc. 3ab means 3 into 3 into 2 minus 2 into 2 square plus 4 into 3 into 2, b is 2 and c is minus 4. Now 3 into 3, 9, 9 2s are 18, minus 2 into 4 plus 4 into 3 into 2 into minus 4, that is 4 3s are 12, 12 8s are 9, minus sign is minus 96. That means 18 minus 6 minus 96. Now 18, that is 4 2s are 8. 18 minus 104, that is further answer is minus 86. Now example number 5. Example 5 is simplify the following expression and find the value when x is equal to minus 2 given. First we have to simplify, then we have to put the value. 5 into 2 minus 3x plus 7x minus 11. First we have to simplify this. 5 2s are 10, minus 5 3s are 15x plus 7x minus 11. Then 10 minus that is 15 minus 7, 10 minus 11 is minus 1, 15 minus 7 is minus 8x. Now put x is equal to minus 2, minus 1 minus 8 into minus 2, that is minus 1 plus 16, answer is 15. Now second part is again simplify and find the value for x is equal to minus 2. That is 2 into x square minus 3x minus 5 into 7x minus 4. First we have to simplify this. 2x square, 2 into 3 is minus 6x, minus 5 into 7 is 35x, minus 5 into minus 4 is 20 plus 20. Now add the like terms. 2x square minus 6 and minus 35 minus 41x plus 20. Now put x is equal to minus 2. So we have to put x is equal to minus 2 in this value. 2 into minus 2 square minus 41 into minus 2 plus 20. Now 2 into 4 minus 2, 41 into minus 2 is plus 82 plus 20, that is 8 plus 82 plus 2, that is 8 plus 82 90, 90 plus 2 is 90 plus 20, that is 20, 90 plus 20 is 100. So exercise 5.3 is your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.